Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to Personal Finance Budget Template. This template is designed to be user friendly and perfect for anyone who wants to take control of their finances, even with minimal Excel experience. It's divided into six easy to navigate sections for efficient financial management, complete with dependent drop down list for seamless trackings. Its super easy categories are income, expenses, savings, debits, miscellaneous, and bills. We have included features to help you stay on top of upcoming bills and keep track of your savings. It's packed with all the essentials you need to manage your finance effortlessly. Let's dive in and get started. Setup tab is divided into simply four steps. You need to select your year from the drop down list. You can type it. 160 currencies are available in the drop down list. Just select your currency and manage your expenses according to your currencies. And six major categories are available. You need to add your subcategories according to the category. Six categories are income, expenses, investments, debits, savings, miscellaneous, and bills. Let's go through and select in front of you. Here, list of 2024 to 2030 is available. Select your year and this will be displayed on the dashboard. Selecting your currency, I'm going to select here a dollar. It will be a better. So here this section is divided into two subsections. Subcategory followed by the budget per month. If you are going to add any of the subcategories, you need to add the budget according to a monthly need. So I am going to add a bank loan here, and it's the bank loan, and I am willing to pay $4,000 per month. And here it is set up, and now it's populated out to the relevant places. Like here, you can see now the bank loan is available in the debit section of the budget and dashboard sections. Now on the cash flow tab, I will start adding my total assets. Suppose I begin today and I will enter my assets in the month of January. As you see this, that I have added $1,000, and it is also populated in the following upcoming months. For example, let's look at the month of November. I have entered my income and expenses. My total income is $8,000, and in the month of January I've added $1,000, and total it's $9,000. So I have spent $6,000 in the in expenses and all other categories. So you can see that now I am on minus $16,000 because my spendings are more than my income. So my assets are depleted. It's time for saving. I'm going to the saving categories and adding a car. I want to buy a new car and my goal is $50,000 for my new car. Here I will add the $50,000 in the targeted amount, and I will add already saved amount in the next white color, and it's $25,000. Now my 50% amount is already saved and bar chart is displayed on the dashboard. Now I'm going to add a transaction that I have saved. Now in the month of November, I will save the saving categories. I will select the car from the drop down list and add her amount that I saved. Suppose I have $1,000 saved, and let's move to the saving goals and see the percentage. Is it improved? Yes, it's 52% now. I have saved more amount. and my tracker is tracking my saving and motivating me by increasing the bar chart. I have already shown you a transaction tracker use by adding a car. Now I'm going to show you the date. Here you see that date is very important and don't miss it. And category five categories are available. Bill is available on the separate tab. Now, so we have to select from the available. Now I selected it and I added the subcategories and amount to the add. Now it's populated to our relevant places and that's it. Now on the bill tracker, let's add a previous month bill so you can understand how it works. I'm going to add a utility and its bill is $50 amounts and it's paid by monthly. Now its next due date is November 2024 and it's late. Let's go to the dashboard and it says that need attention and here your bill is late and let's go and paid it. Now I have paid it and let's go to the dashboard, see again and it's paid and now all is well on the bills. No, as I have paid the bill, now I have to made another transaction that I have paid the bill and it's utility again and its amount is to $20 and you can add it and the as I have paid. So its next due date is December 6th and now it's not displayed on the dashboard and will be available in next uh, 15 days before on the dashboard. I hope you found this video helpful along with the 3D charts and pie charts. They are designed to make tracking your finance easier. One thing I missed mentioning is the green bar chart on the dashboard, which shows the available balance and remaining budget. These indicators help you quickly see how much balance is left in your account. Thank you so much. Bye bye.